Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I'm currently on week 32. I just got back from one of the Goodwills in Cary, North Carolina. If you are a local subscriber, this is the one that is off of Kildare Farm Road and 1010 Road in Cary. I do have a small bag right here to show you at the end of the video. And I'm also going to share with you a really easy juice recipe that was actually inspired by a couple of the items that I bought today, so make sure you stick around to watch that. If I had to pick one word to describe today's thrifting trip, it would be pretty. I saw a lot of pretty things. The first item that caught my eye as soon as I walked in the door was this piece right here. I thought it was gorgeous. And let me know down in the comments below what was the prettiest thing that you saw in today's video. I came across a lot of this handmade pottery. It looks like this might have been somebody's collection, like at a craft fair booth or something. This next item I thought was pretty unique. Has a lot of different textures going on here. I came across this wooden plate here. I really love all the detail that went into this. If anybody knows what this says, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. Look at these really pretty marble eggs. There were 2 of them. And I think I found the egg's mama over here. The next grouping of items are going to be some fun things that I found while I was thrifting. The first one is Nemo here. He didn't last long. Somebody scooped him up right after I was done filming him. This next item just made me laugh when I saw it. It was completely ridiculous, but I had to check it out. It was a big head squirrel feeder, so when the squirrel eats out of it, it looks like he has a really big head. At first I thought this was a Santa teapot because it was mixed in with a lot of the holiday decor, but now that I'm looking at it again, I don't think it's a Santa head. It's kind of cute but kind of creepy at the same time. Let me know down in the comments below if you know what this is. And normally I really don't look at the shoes when I go thrifting, but I happened to walk by and these shoes here caught my eye. They looked like they were brand new. They were pink and they had little kitties on it, and I just thought they were really fun, so I thought I would show them to you guys. Alright, so now I'm going to show you everything that I purchased today. The first two things that I purchased today were these beautiful lime green glasses. They were $1.98 each, and there were two of them, so I quickly put them in my basket because I just absolutely love them as soon as I saw them. I purchased these glasses because I thought they would be great juice glasses. I love to juice, so I thought I would share this juice recipe that I love to drink in the summertime. The ingredients that you will need for this juice are a half of a cucumber, a peeled lemon, you will need a piece of fresh ginger, 5 stalks of celery, 3 small apples, and a juicer. The juicer that I'm using in today's video will also be linked in the description box. I got it off of Amazon and it works really well. It's very quiet and it does a great job of getting all of the juice out. Alright, so now that the juice is finished, I'm just going to pour it into the 2 glasses that I got, and look how pretty they look. I garnished it with a lime. It sort of tastes like a healthy ginger ale / Sprite, and I just love this juice. It's really refreshing, especially in the summertime, and it looks really pretty in my new glasses. Even my daughter Hannah enjoys this juice combination. Alright, so the next item I purchased was one of the little handmade pieces of pottery that I came across. The original price on it was $9, but the Goodwill price was $2.50. I was able to get the price off really easily with just a magic eraser. I decided I wanted to use this in my bathroom. I have this shelf above my toilet here, and I thought it would be cute to put some Q-tips in, and I just have it on this bottom shelf here. I thought the color and the texture went well with all of the other things that I already had on the shelf. So that is my very small haul for this week. I hope you enjoyed what I found. Once again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back for week 33.